Welcome to the daily oracle pull. And what card, what message do I have for you today? Here's your card today. Be gentle with yourself. You see that? Beautiful. How often do you beat yourself up for not doing enough, for not being enough? Yeah, we all do it. But this card is your permission to stop, to soften, to treat yourself the way you treat your best friend. In breathwork sessions, I remind women your nervous system heals through gentleness, not force. So be kind to yourself today, and that's your work.